Come on, we seed righteousness over our seats of government. We sow seeds of righteousness for the media to be shaken greater. And new networks shall arise that shall be different, shall be good, shall be truthful. Receive the batore. Do you hear the sound? Do you hear the sound of my footsteps, says the Spirit of God? Watch very closely, for you will see in the natural visible signs that will mark the sound of the feet of God Himself. And there shall be the sound of thunder, and they will say it. It is thundering. It is lightning, great displays of lightning, but watch once again what they strike. For it will be the foot of God that shall say, enough of this. Watch as one, an illegitimate child who fears for their life shall speak and expose and say, this is the story that I was told never to say. God says it will be at a very high level. This one, an illegitimate child that you thought was their child. There are those who laugh, shake hands, launder money, traffic your children, and exploit them. And they say, we shall create another lockdown. We shall create fear by taking away their liberties and threatening their health. And so they wait for your downfall. Who? That's what you call yourself. Who? The organization that is a stench. Yet I say, who do you think you are? You rise up with your threats because you who do not know who you stand against. Therefore, they plan, they sign, they rumor, they bring fear. Yet I say, watch, watch, watch how I shall gather my fists and I will smack down upon the agendas that desire to steal your freedom again. And this will be the sound of my footprint as there will come a great pushback. And they will say, who do you think you are? When you hear this, look for the who I am that stands in your midst. I will restock your shelves, as I said before, and I will bless your water, and I will provide for your children. Watch what I do, says the Lord. You declare that the lion roars. And so there was a day that they threw Daniel into the den to be eaten by the lions. He had no regard for the king, nor his mandates. And some of you have stood like Daniel in this time. Yet I say to you, you will survive. You will be exonerated. You will be vindicated, says the Lord. But those who had an agenda to throw you into the lions, they themselves shall be eaten by the sound of me, the Lion of Judah. As I expose to establish my righteousness, and this is the time of my justice, says the living